Well, boys, I had to get a sticker made, the Nasty Nate sticker for the back window, before we bought this thing, just in case we came home with it. So we're rolling up to the Freedom Truck Meet with the sticker so everyone knows who it is.
You should know what 12 inches looks like.
I definitely don't. I guess it's mine now. We got a Dodge. Had to make a pit stop on the way to the Freedom Meet at Zach's house. Check out his 4th gen Longhorn. Just threw it on 2214s. God, that thing's nasty. These wheels and tires actually came off of his white single cab, single wheel 1st gen. That still isn't done yet, Zach. Pimpin' ain't easy. You guys have seen this on the YouTube channel, but we still haven't seen it driving. No turning on the 22s. We got a driveway full of Dodges. I am not used to this.
Yeah, 629 a gallon.
I think I should go there. I don't know where else we're gonna go. We're not going there. Looks kind of shocked. I believe we're in St. Mary's, Ohio. We just passed the lake. Kind of cool town. It's super nice. We took a bunch of back roads to get here. This is a perfect day to drive a 1st gen down some back roads. We made it, boys. Right to the 1st gen, parked next to Moonshine.
Hey, you know what? Just we don't need to see
close the hood. Just look at the 1 gen. That's all you need.
Yeah, that's all we need.
No, we do need to see this thing.
It's not special.
It's finally done.
Finally.
It's not totaled anymore.
It's not. It's not. It's drivable. It's got 4 wheels now.
I'm happy for you, man. Yeah, pop the hood. I forgot to record this thing at UCC, and when I went to edit the videos, I was pissed. I'm like, oh, Moonshine's gonna kill me. She clean, boy.
It's got a long way to go.
Last time we saw under the hood,
it was on fire.
It was on fire.
It was on fire.
Oh man, this thing's too cool.
We got a new firewall now. We're not gonna have that issue no more.
You made it, brother.
How we doing?
I'm trying to see a burnout.
We might do one of those.
When's it start? 8?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. We're ready to see it. We can't put that in the video. big is that thing, Cody? Bigger than you.
Wait, these are that's badass.
What you guys doing in there?
Dude, I don't trying to.
It's a party.
This thing's awesome. I'd have it in my yard.
I would daily it.
Miles per gallon.
Zach likes to party. On that note, we're out of here in the first gen. Catch us in the next one.